Hi, we wanted to speak to you about face masks and glasses. Now that face masks are compulsory in shops and on public transport, obviously a lot more of you are now having to wear them and it's becoming more of the norm. Wearing glasses and wearing face masks can be really difficult as the glasses all steam up. Wanted to just go through a few tips on different ways that we think you can help with that. We've been wearing masks now for the last 3-4 months here, so we're getting used to it. So it depends a lot on what type of mask you're wearing. We're tending to wear the surgical masks when we're in work, but we are wearing the fabric masks when we're out and about. With the surgical masks, it's really important that everything, whichever one you wear, fits across the bridge of your nose. The reason that the glasses steam up is obviously your breath and hot air coming up onto the lenses and fogging them up. So it's trying to prevent that air going up and ideally going out the sides. So with the surgical masks, you've obviously got the metal strip in the top, so the most important bit with that is making sure that that metal strip fits right in across your nose, and then putting the ears over the side and pulling it down. Now, when you put your glasses on, what we're seeing is a lot of people putting the glasses on first, putting the mask up over the top, and then you've got a huge gap here, and they just steam up straight away. So making sure that this is right over your nose, but also the glasses go on top and kind of pushed securely onto your face. So that's a bit better, still steam up a little bit. What I've found as well is if you then cross the sides and put them on like this, it creates a little bit of an opening here, which means the air goes out the sides rather than up. And I found wearing a face mask for basically all day, I'm wearing my glasses and I'm very, very rarely steaming up. So that works really well. Some people also have said to tie the sides like this. I think it's pretty similar to crossing it over, but again, you can try that and see what you think. It just creates a bit more of a pocket at the sides, and just fits quite securely. But it's really important that you don't just chuck your mask on, chuck your glasses on. It's taking time to make sure it all is fitting really, really well, and that makes a big, big difference. When you go on to looking at fabric masks or reusable masks, there's obviously tons of options now on the market. A lot of the ones that you see for sale are don't have the metal bit in the nose, and they're fine if you don't wear glasses, but if you do wear glasses, they really don't work. I'm seeing a lot of people coming in as patients and seeing different types of masks and how different people are wearing them, and it seems to be that the sort of stretchy ones that go over your face, because they're stretching here, again you've got a gap here, straight up, glasses steaming up. So we tend to find the ones that have got a built-in piece of metal over the bridge will make a big difference. And if you've got a mask that doesn't have that, you can probably sew one in. I think online you can buy specific pieces of metal for a mask, or just a pipe cleaner or something like that. But again, very similar to the surgical mask, when you put it on, make sure that it's really, really moulded over your nose. Take your glasses off first, again, over your ears, pull it down, make sure that's really, really secure. And again, if you want to, you can twist those sides over, but it's taking your time to put your mask on and making sure it's fitting comfortably and securely. Glasses over the top, push them down, and again, not steaming up at all. I've heard some people, if you're really struggling, can actually tape the top here. I've spoken to surgeons who do that with a surgical mask, put some micropore tape across the top. It's quite extreme, obviously if you're only wearing it for popping into a shop for half an hour, it's not ideal, but there's lots of different ways of doing it. The other things people speak about is obviously cleaning the glasses to try and stop the actual lenses steaming up. Obviously those steam up more if there's a bigger difference in temperature, so if your glasses are cold and you're putting them on and off, then that's going to make more of a difference. So if you are taking them on and off, even have them in their case, but have them in your pocket rather than in your bag, something to keep them slightly warmer, that seems to help. As again, there's a lot of chat of cleaning them with soap, and just be careful with that. Obviously you can use squeezy liquid, you can use soap, but if you've got certain coatings on your lenses, especially like an anti-reflection coating, make sure that you're not cleaning it with too abrasive soap, and also that the water's not too hot, because potentially that can break up the anti-glare coating. We are looking at the moment into getting in some anti-fogging wipes and possibly sprays and things like that. So once we do, we'll try them all out, and we'll let you know how we get on with them and if we've got them available, if they're worth it. Okay, hope that helps you all.